Good afternoon, D&D, TikTok, and barbecue TikTok and beyond, and welcome to Roll for Barbecue. Let's get it done. Happy Cinco de Mayo and the beginning of Nurses Week. Let's dig in the mini barbecue to see what type of dice we're using. And it looks like we got fan mail from Saratoga, California. A big shout out to Michael for sending us these awesome cheeseburger dice. Now I have hamburger and cheeseburger dice. As always, this series is inspired by the popular Roll for Sandwich series by Adventures in Ardia. The dice have been tossed and now it's time to roll for meat. 6 oddities. Okay, let's see what type of oddity we're working with today. Here we go. 6, we got bison. Never made it before. Bison meat technically comes from buffalo. And we got some prep work to do. There it is. Hey, dad joke here. What did the mother buffalo say to her son before leaving for school? Bye, son.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Let's go ahead and roll for binder. 9, we got pickle juice. Pickle juice is so unique in its way. There hasn't been one dish on Roll for Barbecue where pickle juice ruined it. All it's going to do is add some dill flavor. You know, if we're lucky. Now that our binder's down, let's roll for rub. 9, Garlic Festival, and 11, Blues Hog. Let's go ahead and roll for Garlic Festival. We got that Applewood Chipotle. Let's move some of our seasonings out of the way and dig this one out. This is very much a garlic-forward seasoning with notes of applewood and, of course, with a little bit of spice. Let's go ahead and roll for Blues Hog. 2, we got that Cajun Bayou rub. I think this is a good combination for our seasonings today. The spice of the Cajun rub will pair nicely with the chipotle peppers, and the other spices associated with the Cajun will also go well with the applewood. Let's go ahead and roll for wood. 3, hickory wood. Not my first choice for beef, but hey, it works. Let's roll for char griller. 6, we got a Barrel Pro. All right, you guys know the grill. We got the Barrel Pro working offset today. Yes, the smoke is fine. We just got it started. We laid down a hickory plank, and we decided that we were going to reverse sear it, but we said screw it. Let's go ahead and sear it. Fun fact with steak, when you get 0 resistance when you pick it up with the tongs, you're good to flip it. The steak will tell you when it's done. We're shooting for a medium rare on this. We let it rest for about 15 minutes, and I think it looks pretty good. A little more on the rare side, but hey, I like it. Let's get wild with Wild Magic. 17, Healthy Edition. I'm going to ask Mrs. Barbecue. Morning.
Hi.
How'd you sleep?
Okay.
I got Healthy Edition on Wild Magic. What should I do?
I don't know, make a trash salad.
Okay, any toppings or anything like that? 2 choices.
I don't know, whatever we got in the pantry.
We got lots in the pantry. We got like...
Croutons and sunflower seeds?
We have sunflower seeds. I know we don't have croutons.
Well, then why the f*** do you give me this option?
FBI, open up!
Crispy onions and sunflower seeds.
Okay. Are you still mad at me?
No.
Okay, good. I love you.
I love you too.
Happy Nurses Week.
Yeah.
Man, I narrowly avoided that damage. And it looks like we're taking a letter out of the trash man's notebook. We got our head of lettuce, we got some sunflower seeds, and some crispy onions. Let's click those tongs. It's time for the D20 sauce roll. 12, Pappy's White Lightning. Let's get out in the backyard. Oh yeah, I threw the mic on. It's gonna get crunchy. Let's prep this one up. We're gonna add our sunflower seeds, then our crispy onions, then we're gonna add a little bit of that bison. Top that off with some Pappy's White Lightning. It looks good, but how does it taste? Here we go. It's pretty good. Let's add some more crunchy noises to this one. Oh yeah, and don't mind my shirt. I've been painting the nursery, so it's looking pretty good so far. Let's try the bison on its own. It's really good. I give it an 8.3 out of 10. The bison wasn't overpowering. The onions and sunflower seeds paired really nicely with it. Stay. And that lettuce, always a refreshing touch. Overall, this was pretty good. And you best believe I ate that whole head of lettuce. I can't tell you how many calories it is or what the macros are, but I can tell you it's healthier than what I normally eat. We're giving it an 8.8 out of 10. And I think we're going to call this one, bye son, I'll see you on Friday. I know it's another bad buffalo joke, but we can't forget the most important part. Lettuce booty. And just like that, folks, that's episode 180. Be sure to like, follow, share, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you guys at the next barbecue.